Hello, it's Colette Dong from The Nest, and today I'm going to show you the right way to do a jumping lunge. So let's start with the wrong way. A lot of things that I see when doing a jumping lunge is not lunging through that back leg. So that switch, you're going to keep these legs straight because you're avoiding getting really low, which defeats the purpose of the move and puts a lot of strain and impact on that front leg because there's no give to this jump. The next thing I see is an overarch through the spine. So those shoulders are hanging back too far over those hips, creating a lot of instability in the spine and core. And then the last thing I see is those knees not quite tracking over those toes. So we have a lot of internal or external rotation when we hit that jump. Now I'm going to show you the right way to do it. Start out in a regular lunge, track your knee over your toe, and drive your back leg down towards the ground. Your hips are going straight down, and then your shoulders are over your hips. They're not too far back, not too far forward, and your leg is not too straight. Yeah, easy drive. Now I want you to lift yourself up like you're in a baby carrier and you have a nice buoyancy underneath your pelvis. So you're gonna lift and switch, drive that back leg down. Catch a little air at the top, stabilize, that knee tracks over that toe, and drive with a lot of power, confidence, and a little bit of lightness and breath. You got it. And now you know the right way to do a jumping lunge.